Explanation of the Video Management and DNN Architect Point of View. This is a deep neural network AI model designed by Pradeep K. Suri, a powerful AI model designed to process and interpret complex data. From a management point of view, this network turns raw operational inputs like costs, KPIs, or performance indicators into actionable insights that support strategic decisions. On the left, the input layer gathers essential data, feeding it into multiple hidden layers. These layers are where intelligence is built using mathematical weights and activation functions to identify patterns, trends, and correlations that humans might miss. Each hidden node refines the data, improving clarity and predictive accuracy. As the processed data reaches the output layer, the network delivers its decision, whether it's forecasting outcomes, detecting risks, or recommending actions. For AI/ML architects, this flow showcases a scalable and interpretable model built with structured layers, trained through backpropagation, and optimized for real-time learning. Ultimately, this video represents a bridge between raw data and informed decision-making, between complex systems and human understanding. This is the power of DNNs, turning information into intelligence, and intelligence into action. To explain your uploaded video management point of view.mp4, here's a detailed interpretation from a strategic and executive level perspective, assuming the content visually demonstrates an AI-based hospitality ERP dashboard or process model. Management perspective. Welcome to the Hospitality ERP AI Engine Management Point of View. This dashboard-driven video is designed for executive leaders who need data-driven visibility, clarity, and control. What you're seeing is a real-time analysis of key hospitality performance metrics simplified through smart AI animations. First, observe the forecast vs actual occupancy graph. It highlights performance gaps across different room types, helping you spot where demand was over or underestimated. This empowers you to take immediate corrective actions such as adjusting rates or shifting promotional focus. Next, we move to the profitability curve, showing which room categories contribute most to your bottom line. Executive rooms may show high occupancy, but do they yield the profit expected? This visual lets you decide where to prioritize upgrades or optimize pricing. Finally, AI recommendation accuracy, a vital metric. It reflects how precisely your AI model is predicting guest behavior, occupancy, or demand. With over 90% accuracy in some room types, this builds trust in automation and ensures confident decision-making. From a CXO's lens, this dashboard isn't just data, it's strategy in motion. It enables agile responses, aligns operational KPIs with strategic goals, and transforms complex analytics into simple, actionable insights. This is the future of hospitality management, where AI and leadership come together to drive growth, profitability, and guest satisfaction. Direct hit video interpretation, management point of view. Hotel 1. Objective of the video. The video is designed to help top-level executives and decision-makers understand how a hospitality ERP powered by AI supports operational visibility, forecast accuracy, profitability insights, strategic recommendations. Chart increasing to. What management sees in the video. A. Forecast vs actual comparison. Bar chart animation shows how predicted occupancy compares with real-time actuals. Helps CXOs identify underperforming segments, example if suite occupancy lags behind forecasts. This empowers real-time rate adjustments, targeted marketing, and seasonal resource reallocation. B. Profitability analysis. The animated line chart displaying average profit per room highlights which room types contribute the most. Decision-makers can use this to optimize room pricing, prioritize upgrades, design profitable package bundles. For instance, if executive rooms yield less profit despite high occupancy, strategic intervention is warranted. C. AI recommendation accuracy. A clear visualization of how accurate the AI model's recommendations are, in %. High accuracy fosters trust in automated systems. Lower scores may indicate a need to retrain the model or adjust decision rules. Pushpin 3. Management level insights delivered. Metric: why it matters to management. Forecast accuracy guides proactive adjustments to sales and marketing. Profit per room type drives decisions on dynamic pricing and refurbishing. AI recommendation accuracy reflects reliability of automation in operations. Visual clarity and animation allows non-technical leaders to grasp data flow. Brief case 4. Strategic benefits for executives. KPI monitoring, dashboards show live business health. Resource optimization, identify where to cut cost or invest more. Customer experience enhancement, understand booking and room preference patterns. AI trust building, confidence in automation allows leaner staffing models. Data-driven decision making, combines historical trends with AI forecasting. Puzzle piece conclusion. This video bridges the gap between technical insights and executive decisions. It offers a compact, animated, and visual experience that empowers general managers, CFOs, revenue officers, property owners to act decisively using live AI-powered data. Breakdown of the video: DNN General Purpose .mp4 from two distinct professional perspectives. AI model by Pradeep K. Suri. Direct hit 1. Management point of view, CXO/strategy and decision making. Puzzle piece: purpose of the video. The video visualizes how data flows through a deep neural network, DNN. It demonstrates how inputs, conditions, metrics, behavior, get processed through several hidden layers to produce outcomes. For management, this is a blueprint of how AI assists in real-time decision-making. Bar chart insights for management. Area value from the video. Strategic alignment shows how key business metrics, sales, KPIs, performance, are factored into AI systems. Data-driven decisions visualizes how complex decisions are no longer heuristic but driven by layered logic. Risk identification management sees where weak signals, low-weight inputs, may result in critical outcomes. AI investment ROI provides confidence in why investing in AI modeling matters, traceable logic and quantifiable impact. Pushpin management applications. Financial forecasting models. Customer behavior prediction. Operations optimization. Sales and marketing AI models. Strategic planning tools. 2 DNN architect point of view, AI/ML developer. Brain core technical interpretation. The video shows input neurons, example variables/features, feeding into multiple hidden layers. Each hidden layer processes these using weighted sums, sigma wx plus b. Activation functions, ReLU, softmax, etc. Outputs represent final decisions or forecasts. Magnifying glass tilted left architectural insights. Component interpretation. Input layer data ingestion, raw inputs, features like time, cost, score, etc. Hidden layers data transformation, deep layers extract patterns, reduce noise. Output layer decision space, classification, example normal, critical, or regression, example score, 92.5%. Weight adjustments training mechanism, each layer optimizes to reduce error. Flow width weight or confidence of each signal in the final decision. Technologist architect use cases. Model interpretability for debugging. Optimization of network depth. Designing explainable AI, XAI. Layer-wise performance analysis. Selecting activation functions. Summary of both views. Dimension management view DNN architect view. Focus strategy, ROI, application impact layers, weights, function behavior. Language business KPI, forecast, outcome neurons, backpropagation, activation. Key takeaway: confidence in AI-driven planning blueprint for efficient and scalable modeling. Thank you.